Ichiyo's Japanese Online Lesson.
こんにちは。Ichiyo's Japanese オンラインレッスン代表のIchiyoです。つ、ちゅ、す。
Ichiyo pronounced these characters. Did you understand the difference between them? We've seen a lot of learners who can't pronounce them correctly.
特につをちゅと発音される方はとても多いです。この動画で正しい発音の仕方を勉強してください。それでは今日の動画スタートです。
Please listen to the pronunciation of this character.
つ、つ、つ。
Number 1 and 8 are the key points when we pronounce it. Number 1 is the upper teeth. Number 8 is the tip of the tongue. Please touch the upper teeth with the tip of your tongue. Many learners don't do this, so the pronunciation becomes wrong. The English is read as cats. The tongue position is similar to when we pronounce the sound ts.
つ、つ、つ、つ、つ、つ。
Pronunciation of
ちゅ、
Please listen to the pronunciation of this character.
ちゅ、ちゅ、ちゅ。
On the left illustration, number 6 becomes the key point when we pronounce it. Number 6 is the hard palate. On the right illustration, number 8, 9, and 10 become the key points when we pronounce it. Number 9 is the front of tongue. Number 10 is the bridge of tongue. We place the tip of our tongue in a low position. The bridge of our tongue touches the hard palate. The mouth shape is also a key point. We pucker our mouth.
ちゅ、ちゅ、ちゅ。
The English is read as chew. The tongue position is similar to when we pronounce it chew,
ちゅ、
chew.
ちゅ。
Pronunciation of
す、
Please listen to the pronunciation of this character.
す、す、す、す。
Number 8 becomes the key point when we pronounce it. Please touch the lower teeth with the tip of your tongue.
S.
We make the air sound.
S. 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 S.
We've seen many learners who can't pronounce it. Please show us your pronunciation before you have incorrect pronunciation skills. We'll check and correct your Japanese in our conversation lessons or mail support.
Pronunciation quiz.
Ichiyo will pronounce these characters. Please identify which word is pronounced.
Question 1.
す、す、す、
The answer is
す、す、
Question 2.
つ、つ、つ、
The answer is
つ、つ、
Question 3.
す、す、す、
The answer is
す、す、
Question 4.
ちゅ、ちゅ、ちゅ、
The answer is
ちゅ、ちゅ。
Were you able to hear the differences? Many learners are able to do it. However, we've seen a lot of learners who can't pronounce them correctly. It's said that if our native language doesn't have the same sound as the second language, we can't pronounce it correctly. Moreover, learners who speak with a wrong pronunciation can't notice that their pronunciation is wrong. In this case, we need to train how to move our mouth and tongue, breathe, and pronounce with the correct pitch, accent, and rhythm. Please show us your Japanese to avoid having incorrect pronunciation skills. We'll analyze it and correct your Japanese.
Vocabulary.
Next, Ichiyo will pronounce these words. Please practice the pronunciation with him.
通学、通学、通学、中学、中学、中学、数学、数学、数学、通学、中学、数学、通学、中学、数学。動画のご視聴ありがとうございました。
Do you have a Japanese teacher who checks and corrects your Japanese every time? We've seen a lot of learners who use wrong Japanese even though they graduated a language school or university. In language schools, teachers don't have enough time to check and correct students' Japanese privately. Therefore, the students keep using wrong Japanese and they don't notice it. We want to stop it, so we created our private lessons and services. All our lessons and services are individualized. Please show us your Japanese before you have incorrect skills. If you take our daily Japanese mail support, we can check your Japanese daily. If you want to know more about the details, please check out our website. The link is in the description of this video.
それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。さよなら。